guys, welcome back to my video. And today, hold on, act like you didn't see anything of my house, go in here, we go here, boom, we're outside, and we be outside and playing. Okay, so here is my little house that I built. I just finished today. Yeah, it was like $1,000. So, yeah. Okay, let's go in. Okay, first we're gonna start right here. So we're gonna act like I've walked in. Hold on, let me turn to a parent, where I can look more professional doing this. Okay, so now parents are better. No, parents are okay, whatever. So I have the kitchen. Wow, and then it says kitchen here. Yeah, I did this today. Oh, hold on, let me just fix that. I had an unwanted thing here. Oh, no. No! Life problems. No. Okay. Fixed, wait, what the heck? Fixed it, okay. Now we got the kitchen and stuff right here. Sitting area, that took me a while to do. It took me like, all of this only took me like 40 minutes, so yeah. I got like this here, TV stand here, so like, if you was like someone who lives here, you like come in here, go here, and then walk in here, and then wherever you want to go, sit here. And the Christmas tree is gonna be here. The Christmas tree could be here, and the presents could be here, and like, like it could be anywhere. Now going into the bathroom, we have a 2-bathroom room. So you go here, and you go here. It's a hack, by the way. And then you have the toilet, and you can actually sit on it. If you guys wanted to know how to do this, I'll show you guys right now. So you see the toilet? You put that there, and that's all. And this is a 2-bathroom. Baths. So yeah, that's how to do that. And yeah, there's no other tricks but that. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. There. You gotta see this, guys. Guys, do you see? Look, there is literally a bowl in there. I put that in there. So cool. Hold on, let me put this there. Don't like it there. Let me move this here. Just like to move things while I'm recording a video. Whatever. Okay. So yeah. What else can I show you? So we have this up here. This let me go up here. Alright. Okay, we have we have the tomato sauce and the pepperoni. And then we have the pizza. Okay. I know you don't have like that doorway right here. I know. I blocked that off before I put that barrier there because that was on the thing. So yeah, here is my room, and I just did this today. This room right today, in the bathroom and the kitchen today. But I did this yesterday. But I did the couch area today. I followed the man speedboat, and I was like, bro, how did you do that? And I'm just like, never. I'm not gonna follow the speedboat anymore. I'm gonna do what feels right for me. So yeah, so this is what I feel like, what feels right to me, and that's how I ended up doing this. And yeah, I hope you like this tour. If you did, sorry that I haven't put an intro on this or like a thumbnail on this video, but life is great. Bye.